Members, you are welcome back to this session, and having looked at regular and irregular objects last time, we are today going to look at finding the volume of regular objects. Somebody to remind us on what regular objects are. I'm waiting to hear the response. What are regular objects? Okay. Regular objects are objects with proper dimension or objects that have a well-defined shape. Okay. Now, today we are looking at finding the volume of regular objects. What do we need to know? We needed to know what volume means. Volume is the space occupied by an object. The space occupied by an object. Okay? Look here. Where you are seated, I think you have occupied this space. Can your brother or sister come and sit in the same place? I think definitely not. He cannot sit there. Why can't that person sit there? It's because you have occupied the space. So regular objects and irregular objects always occupy the space. Are we there? So let's look at the amount of space these objects occupy. That's what we are terming as volume. So volume is the space occupied by an object, and then volume is measured in cubic units. Volume is measured in cubic units. That's good. Then volume of regular objects is got by calculation method. Is got by calculation method. Okay? You calculate in order to get the volume of regular objects. Therefore, the method is calculation method. Don't forget that one. And the formula for finding the volume of regular objects, for example, a cuboid, we can use the formula as volume is equal to length times width times height. That is the formula. If you are looking for the volume, finding the volume of a cuboid, then we shall also look at volume of a cube. That is, the formula will be side times side times side. Okay? Side times side times side. Okay? Why do we say side times side? So we added here E, but it's not supposed to be there. Okay? It's just side times side times side. Are we there? Why? Because a cube is one side of a cube make a square. Okay? And we know squares have all sides equal. So we don't know which side is the length, which side is a what? Is a width. Now, I want us to look at an example 1. Example 1, and they are saying that this is a cube. Why is it a cube? It has all sides equal, and each side is 2 centimeters. Okay? Each side is 2 centimeters. So what are we going to say? We are going to look to get the formula as volume equals to side times side times side. How many sides do we take? 3. Side times side times side. We don't take the one which is down, but we take the one which represents the length and the one which represents the width and maybe the one on the height. Okay, but this time all of them are the same. So what are you going to say? When you are given one side as 2 centimeters, know that every line, every side is 2 centimeters. So we are going to say it will be equal to 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters. Are we there, my children? Good. we shall say 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters. 2 times 2, we shall get 4. And 4 times 2, we shall get 8. Are we there? But how many units do we have here? How many units of centimeters are there? There are 3. So when you multiply centimeter times centimeter, the second time times centimeter, you come up with 3, but we shall call it cubic centimeters. We put our 3 here. This 3 on top is a symbol for cubic. Okay? Cubic centimeters. After finishing and getting the answer, don't leave it hanging. Show that you have ended there, and that's the answer. Are we there? Now we look at another one here, and I think this one that they have given us is this time a cuboid. Why do I say a cuboid? It has different sizes. Okay, one is longer, one is longest. The longest side becomes the width. The one that is standing becomes the height. The one that is flat down is the what? The width. So what are we going to say? We shall say volume is equal to, this time we shall say length times width times height. Are we there? Good. So we are going to look at where is the length. What have we been given on the length? It is 4 centimeters times the width is 2 centimeters and the height is 3 centimeters. Okay? Now if they have given you, if you have finished writing like that, we can now multiply, and we say, we are going to say 4 times 2. What do we get? 4 times 2 is going to be, it is going to be 8. Are we there? So after getting 8, before we write 8 there, we are going to say 4 times 2, that is 8. 8 times 3, what do we get? We get 24. We shall get 24 cubic centimeters. Why does it become cubic centimeters? It is, we are looking for volume, and volume is measured in cubic units. Are we there? That's good. After finishing that, get your ruler and draw a straight line to show that you have completed your calculation. Are we there, children? So these are the examples that we are going to follow. You check the formula and how we are and the steps, and later you'll calculate some numbers that I'm going to put on the blackboard, and when I come back we shall do the correction. However, there are some who say, let's wait for the teacher's correction, and then we do what? The teacher's correction, and then we just write the answers. Don't wait for my answers, okay? You have been good children in the class. I know you are right in your sitting room, or on your bed, or on the home compound, but you are learning with us. Continue following this learning, and I would like to advise you, continue staying home, stay safe, use a mask if you are in a crowd. Don't trust anybody sitting near you, okay? With that, I want to thank you. Bye-bye.